Okay guys, welcome to my video. We are gonna learn about Adventist mathematics. Okay, we are gonna start with test A or test subject A. Okay, now this says, let's practice. Wow! Now this says, write the ordinal and cardinal numbers for each of the encircled fruit in each set. Now we are gonna answer it. Now we are gonna delete these numbers that my mom said. Now we are gonna start. 1, 2, 3. Go. So we are gonna look at these apples and do not hold the apple in the middle. Okay, that in circle. Okay, now we are gonna start today, guys. Now this is what in the ordinal they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples are in each time. Now we are gonna write here in ordinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are gonna look at the other apples but in cardinal. Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now this is our answer. Tara, do you see that? We are good job. Now, next one. Number 2. Okay, we are gonna look at this. Wow, it's mangoes. Do you want mangoes? Write in the comments. Okay. Now today we are gonna look at this mangoes in ordinal. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the next one is cardinal. Let's look at the cardinal mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Wait, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are right. It's 10. Now we are gonna write the cardinal in this block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, good job, guys. You get it? Now we are gonna go in the number 3. Number 3. Now we are gonna look at pineapples. Wow, pineapples are yellow. Okay, now we are gonna start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 pineapples at each time. Okay? Let's write in the blank 9 pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we are gonna look at cardinal pineapples. Now let's... Oh! Oh no! We have 2 pineapples left in the ordinal. We have a mistake. Okay, that's okay. We always do mistakes, but God always forgive us. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's look at the cardinal pineapples. Okay, let's look at it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 in the blank. Oh my! We are correct. Okay. Number 4. The last one. Okay, we have number 5 next. Now, let's look at number 4. Okay. Oh, oranges. It's orange. Wow, oranges. Do you like oranges? Down in the comments. Okay. Okay, my mom is already here.
Hi guys,
Okay guys.
I'm Miggy's mama.
Okay, now you have a break first. Okay. Now let's do it. Number 4. Okay. Let's... I know the word. It's count. I'm sorry guys. Okay. Let's count the oranges. Okay. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the blank. Now the cardinal next. Okay. Let's count the cardinal oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the blank 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are done. The last one is 5. Wow, goodies. Okay. Do you like strawberries? It's red, right? Now, down in the comments, please write if you love strawberries, or you allergic in strawberries, or you hate strawberries. Okay. Also guys, I'm from Philippines and Sofronia Española. Now, let's go! Okay. Let's count the ordinal strawberries. I'm sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strawberries at each time. 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries at the blank. Now the next one. Let's count the cardinal strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strawberries at each time. And in the blank, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this is a lesson today. And please check my account in Smash the Ball Learning Lesson. Bye!